Today, we're talking about self-love. It's a journey that many of us are on, and it's not always easy, but it's one of the most important journeys we can take. Isn't it amazing how we can go through life, achieving incredible things, reaching milestones, and still feel like something is missing, yet still feel this nagging sense of not being enough. It's like a shadow that follows us, no matter how bright our accomplishments shine, like there's a voice inside, whispering doubts and fears. This voice can be relentless, making us question our worth and our abilities. Well, today, we're confronting those voices. We're going to shine a light on them and see them for what they really are, lies. We're diving deep into the toxic phrases that chip away at our self-esteem, those insidious words that creep into our minds and make us doubt ourselves, those words that leave us feeling inadequate and unworthy. They can come from anywhere, our past, our environment, or even our own thoughts. And you know what? We're not just identifying them. We're kicking them to the curb. We're replacing them with affirmations of our true worth. Because you deserve to walk into every room with your head held high, knowing your worth, embracing your authentic self. It's time to silence those doubts and step into your power. Oh, this one. We've all heard it at some point, haven't we? This phrase, "you're not good enough." It's like a punch to the gut, isn't it? It echoes in your mind, making you doubt everything. It can leave you feeling so small, so insignificant. You feel like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders. You start questioning everything about yourself, your abilities, your dreams. You wonder if you'll ever be good enough for anything or anyone. You might even start shrinking back from opportunities, afraid to even try, because what's the point if you're already convinced you're going to fail? It's a vicious cycle. But let me tell you something, and listen closely. You are enough. You have always been enough. You are more than enough. You have unique strengths and qualities that make you who you are. Don't let anyone, not even that voice inside your head, tell you otherwise. Embrace your worth and step into your power. Comparison, my friends, is the thief of joy. And nowhere is it more toxic than when it comes to our self-esteem. Why can't you be more like your sister, more successful like your neighbor, more outgoing like your friend? These comparisons, they chip away at our sense of self, make us feel like we're constantly falling short. But here's the truth. You are unique. You have your own path, your own strengths, your own journey. Embrace that. These words, "you'll never succeed," they're like poison to our dreams. They plant seeds of doubt, make us question our abilities, and can even paralyze us from taking action. But you know what? Every successful person out there has faced doubters, has heard those words. But they didn't let those words define them. They used them as fuel, as motivation to prove them wrong. Chapter 4. You're too sensitive. Embrace your emotions. Being told you're too sensitive is like being told to turn off a part of who you are. It's an attempt to invalidate your feelings, make you feel like you're overreacting. But let me tell you, there's no such thing as being too sensitive. Your feelings are valid, they're real, and they deserve to be acknowledged and respected. Chapter 5. You always mess things up. Silence that inner critic. Oh, that voice that says, you always mess things up. It can be so loud, so relentless. It keeps us stuck in a cycle of self-doubt and fear of failure. But here's the thing. Everyone makes mistakes. It's part of being human. It's how we learn and grow. So, the next time you hear that voice, challenge it. Remind yourself of all the times you've succeeded, all the challenges you've overcome. Chapter 6. No one likes you. Lies, lies, lies. These words, no one likes you, are often rooted in insecurity and fear. They prey on our deepest need for connection and belonging. But let me tell you something. You are worthy of love and connection. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, who celebrate your authentic self, and who remind you of your worth. Chapter 7. You're a burden. Release the weight. Being made to feel like a burden is a heavy weight to carry. It can lead to feelings of worthlessness, guilt, and even shame. But you are not a burden. You have value, you have gifts to share, and you deserve to take up space in this world. Don't let anyone make you feel otherwise. Outro, you are worthy. We've unpacked a lot today, haven't we? It's been a journey through the maze of our minds, exploring the impact of words and thoughts. These toxic phrases, they can really do a number on our self-esteem. They linger, they echo, and they can make us doubt our worth. But remember this, you are worthy of love, not just from others, but from yourself too. You are worthy of respect from those around you and from within. And you are worthy of happiness, a happiness that comes from embracing who you truly are. Don't let anyone, not even that voice inside your head, tell you otherwise. Silence the doubts and let your inner strength shine. Now, I want you to take a deep breath in, feel the air fill your lungs, and as you exhale, release all that negativity. Let it go. Let go of the doubts, the fears, the insecurities. You are strong, you are resilient, and you have the power to overcome any obstacle. You are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself because you are truly worthy.